Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your dialer application. Although this is Google, so this might not work. Let's see. I'm gonna navigate to contacts, 3 dots, settings, and it looks like it won't work from here, so I'm gonna look for other app called Contacts. There we go. So this is a standalone option. Google Apps also have a Contacts app, and from here we can select Fix and Manage, and then import from SIM or file. I'm gonna select SIM. This will automatically show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, so if you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of them. From there, click on Import, and there we go. 5 contacts imported, and when I go back to my contacts, you can see them show up right here. One more thing to mention, I am not logged into a Google account. If I was, then before it automatically imported the contacts, it would ask me if I want to import them to my phone or to a Google account as an example. And if you choose one of those options, so if you have contacts, for instance, on your Google account as well, you can swap between this right here. As you can see, there's a phone icon. When you press on it, it would show you right here your Google account as an option, or the phone, depending on which one is set enabled right now. And this will show you the contacts that are associated with this location. So device, for me, it's 5 contacts, and account, I'm not even logged in, so no contacts right now. But you can swap between them here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.